Hi, I'm Melanie Rose, and this is my term project for CIT 230, The Mountain Spoke. So I have put an image on the home page. I've used the HTML entities as my bullet points, and I also have a schedule online now, and I'll show you how that works in the bigger version. In the bottom, I have used the HTML entities also, and I use them in my navigation. So I have a mountain biker and a mountain. My adventures page has an image as the background. That was very interesting to learn, and it was something that I really wanted to know, so I'm glad I got to do it on this project. My registration form for the event and all the information about the event. My sales page has this accordion menu that slides out to show you the different bicycle models that we offer, and then a little paragraph that says that we don't sell them over the internet, but if we don't have what you want, we'll try to get it at a cheaper price. The basic repair services that we offer, and our contact us with my embedded Google Map. In the medium version, I chose to use two separate pictures. These are not the ones that show up on the small page. And you still have the schedule online. That will take you to a different place to schedule to book your appointment. And then Adventure Tours shows up a little bit bigger. The events, this page is responsive. So when you fill it out, it will take you to a different page. That's not my actual birthday. So it says, thank you for registering for the Cycle the Continental Divide event, and that we will send you more information and your registration number. The sales is compressed in this one. It's not down the side, so it still slides out like on the other page. And then our service is our basic service. And contact us does the same thing as the first page. When you fill it in, it does turn blue. And then it says, thank you for contacting us. Now on the big version, I put all three images. So this image is the one that shows up in the small version, and the ones on the side are the ones that show up in the medium version. It still has the schedule online. Adventure Tours is just a bigger version. I did try to contain it all to the middle and make it look a little bit cleaner. The sales still slides out. I'm left-handed, so I always start from the wrong side. The repairs that we offer, I thought the background image offered a little bit more to the page than just putting the repairs we offer on there. And then I also use the HTML entity for the phone. And so there's my site. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I really learned a lot this semester, and I'm grateful for this class and for this project. Thank you.